How does a timer control a surface pump or a borehole pump? What's up, electrician? Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to explain you a little bit how a timer can control a surface pump for it to be working automatically or permanent. And the control box here is only useful for single phase pump, surface, and borehole pump. So let's get to the wiring and see what components have been used for the building of the panel. Here, I have a triple breaker contactor, have a timer, two indicator lights over there, have a selector switch, and have pump by this side here. So the pump is connected directly to a contactor. And talking about this connection that I have here, this control box is just for like a borehole pump or a surface pump, like single phase pumps. You understand? So to use this for a borehole pump, you have to add a capacitor to the system, and the connections will be done this way: capacitor red wire to pumps neutral, capacitor blue wire to contactors T2. A surface pump will be connected like the one we have here. As you can see over there, the indicator light is on. Like as you switch, immediately the contact the breaker or on the this one, the input power indicator come on. You understand? So you have the timer over there. You can see the timer. So I set it on automatic. So let's see how the automatic works. But guys, you're new on this channel, you like my tutorial, you like what I'm doing here, you like what I'm teaching here, I beg of you guys to subscribe. I beg of you to subscribe. And so as you can see, the timer ran. So the pump is running right now. The pump is running right now. As it come on, the pump is running right now. In the description, I will put the link of the videos in which I'll teach the wiring and the control box wiring one by one, like component by component. So the pump go off. So guys, don't forget to like the video, share the video to your colleagues, and put your misunderstanding inside the commentary for me. So the fact here is that even though the timer here is working automatically, or the work of the timer is set on automatic, the selector switch can switch the pump on and switch it off. But it's not advised to use it like that, to use the selector switch when the timer is working automatically. And if you want to switch your pump on and switch it off by yourself, it's advised to set the timer on permanent or set it on manual before use the selector switch to do that work. You guys shouldn't worry yourself about a timer or how to set a timer, because I've got a full tutorial video in which I explain how to set a timer to pump for minutes or for hours. And over that film, I explain how to set the timer to automatic to work automatically and permanent. So for the timer, I'll just put the link of the video inside the description for you guys to go and learn what is about the settings of the timer over there. For the indicator light, the green light is on when the pump is running, like pump running, and when the blue light is on, it means the presence of the power pump go off. I know you guys will be worrying yourself about the wiring, how I did the wiring and the light and everything, but I promise you that I will link the wiring inside the description for you guys to know how to do it by yourself. I know you always complain about long video, the video is so long, but there's some people they like it that way. So I will just post the long video and I'll cut it short for some people. Connect the pump to the contactor, how to connect the timer to the contactor, how to connect the triple breaker to the contactor, how to connect the contactor to with the lights and the selector switch and everything. So I'll do it one by one for you guys. So as you can notice here, I use the selector switch to switch it on. So as I'm running this on the timer, it's not working, it's not switching off like automatic. That's how the automatic works. So it means I set it on permanent like manual, and that's the work of the manual. So only the selector switch can switch it on and off, like doing his own things, you understand? So the wiring, you can put mini wire under here, or you can put it on the top of this one, the contactor. So this is what we have here. And don't forget, it's for a single phase pump. And guys, thank you for watching this video. Thank you for watching this video. I'll beg of you guys to subscribe my channel and to wait for new videos. Thank you.
And don't forget to activate your notification bell.